In this video, I will show you how to add video on Wix website. In order to do that, click on this plus option right here and then click on the search and search in here for video. Once you have done that, you can add in here a Wix video, or you can also put in here anything that you want. So we have in here this, so just choose in here that you want. It can be a video upload, it can be a YouTube video, or anything that you want for this as well. So I'll head over and then choose in here this video upload, and then I'll just drag it around here. Then from there, click on this change video, and then you can select a video from your computer, from YouTube, or anything. For this one, I'll just select from YouTube, and then I have in here this video. I just need to click on this URL and copy it, and then head back right around here and then put the link on this below. Then as you can see, it's now been added.